Hi all, welcome to the live session of Creations Unlimited. Today I will be showing you how to make this wall decor. This is called as Lipton Art Style wall decor. This is made by using clay and a CD. Then it is painted plus few of the decorations like streamings are added here. So let's get started. Hi Zarya. I will adjust the camera and start the video. So as you can see here, I have taken a paper. I have taken a paper and a CD and applied a sellotape at the back side of the CD. With the help of that sellotape, the CD is stuck to the paper. Now, with the help of this, we want to make a circle bigger than the CD. Here it is. Now you can remove the CD and cut this circle. Please share the video with your friends so all can learn in the live session. So here I have cut the circle. Fold this circle into half. So till now what things we have used? A CD and a paper. That's it. Now I am folding this paper into half. Again. Any doubts you have, you can ask in the comment section. I'll reply to you. So this is how we have got our circle paper divided. Now take a scale and pencil and draw the lines on this circle. We can see the folded part. Just draw the line on that. Now again you can stick the CD on this. Okay. This is how it will look. Why we have done this? Because we want to mark the points on the CD. And as you know, directly if we start making, it will not be possible for us to get the exact parts. That is why we have taken this circle. So after doing this, I have, with the help of scale, I have drawn the lines here on the CD using the pencil. In the video, the lines on the CD are maybe not visible. Yeah, they are visible, but not very clear. There are the lines continued with this paper lines. Yes. Now we will start designing it with the help of clay. So here is my clay. I have filled the clay in this cone. This clay is homemade. It is air drying clay which we have made. See, when we press the cone, the clay comes out and it forms a line. With the help of this, you can make any design whichever you want. So let's start. It's entirely on you which design you want. This recipe of clay, if you want, you can type to me in chat box. This clay is air drying clay. So it will take time for the clay to dry. See to it that you don't touch this clay when it is wet. It takes at least 2 hours for the clay to dry. You can see the fluency of this clay. The thickness of your clay line, you can decide as per your requirement. I wanted the line of my design to be this much thin, so I have cut the cone this much sides. This is Lipton style wall decor. That is why we have taken this CD. Instead of sticking the mirrors on our artwork, we have taken CD, so already it looks like mirror. So let's draw the next design. Design depends entirely on you, how you want it. Keep one tissue paper. If any design you want to remove, the lines which we had drawn on the CD are helping me to draw this design. Because those lines are with the pencil, maybe it's not visible in the video, but yes, I can see them. Don't use marker for drawing the guiding lines on the CD. Please share the video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it to get more ideas of art and craft. So see, here it is. Let's go ahead and draw the outside design. As I told you, the design entirely depends on you, how you want it. I'm trying to create it like a Lipton style art. Actually, for Lippen style art, we stick the mirrors on any artwork. See the fluency of this clay. It's not breaking in between. If you want the recipe of this clay, please write in comments. I will be making one more video for that. And of course, that video also will be free, so don't worry. Here we are saving our time of sticking the mirrors on our craft. Because CD already looks like mirror, so no need to stick the mirrors separately. If you want thicker line than this, you can just cut this side of the cone from where the clay is coming out, the opening. You can cut it little extra. Then your line will become thicker than this. This takes at least 2 hours for the clay to dry. If you have tried Lippen art using clay, then you must have realized that making the same thickness is difficult with the hand. That is why I have chosen to make a cone of this clay. So let's continue. You can draw the design on your CD and then you can trace the design by clay. Or if you can do it direct on my CD. I have a Facebook page, Creations Unlimited. Do check that for any latest updates. Is it clear? Is the design clear now? If you can see the design clearly, please write in comments so that I will get the feedback. I hope the design is seen to you. If not, then please mention it in the comments. That will be really very helpful for the video. So once your designing is complete with using CD, using clay, then you need to keep it for drying. By chance, if your design is wrong somewhere, suppose I'll show you here. Here you can see there is little extra clay has come out. Then we can wipe it off with the help of tissue paper. And then by using a brush, you can just clean your CD, that part. Clean it, don't leave any residue on that. as later we are going to paint the CD, if any of the residue is remaining on the CD, then it will not be good while painting. Because the CD is not a very big size, so I have chosen this thickness for the design. Thickness of clay line. If we make the design with very fat line, then it will not look good on the CD. Keep one tissue paper near you for wiping the cone in between. There is one more trick. If initially, if your cone is not, the line is not coming evenly, so just keep one brush and little water with you and just rub that brush on the clay so that any breakage of line is there, then it will get fixed. You have to do it immediately when the clay is wet. After the clay is dried, then there is no use. Anything if you want to clean, wipe off, then do it immediately when the clay is wet. Yeah, so this is the last design we are making. After that, we will start painting. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. And if you want me to make a video on clay, how to make clay, if you want to know the recipe, please write it in comments. I will definitely make a video on that. I purposely didn't include in this video because then the video will become very long. Any design according to your creativity, you can make it with the help of this cone. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so that whenever I'll post new video, you will get the update. So see this, here we have finished the design, how it is. I liked it very much. Please do write if you have liked it. Okay, let's see how to color it. We will keep this for drying. As I told you, this will take around 1 or 2 hours for drying. The center part, as I can feel, it is semi-dried. It is not completely dry. And the outside, which we have done just now, it is still wet only. So we are not going to color this one. I'll be taking other piece. other CD which I had already done. I had done the design on this CD earlier and it is dry now. So I will show the painting on this CD. Okay. Okay, now you must be thinking, how did I stick this? For sticking this, you just have to take a lace. This is the lace. I have measured it till the half of the CD. Okay, let me show you on this one. So take the lace, half of the circumference of the CD, and stick it on the back side of this CD. Stick it on the back side of the CD using fabric glue. Apply the fabric glue and stick the lace. So let us see how to paint it. You can take acrylic colors. I have chosen red and blue. You can choose any other color. But as you can see, the name of my craft is Evil Eye Decoration. It's just a name. So I am taking this blue color and red color. Let me keep this away for drying. And let's see how to do this. Do it very slowly, carefully. Decide where you want to give which color. Avoid giving color on the clay. I have taken 0 number brush because my design is very thin. This is acrylic color and 0 number brush I am using. Now I will give color outside this part. Always try to finish one color, then take the second one. I have decided where I want to give red color. So I'll finish red color first. Thank you for joining me live now. Just be careful, don't go on clay. Thank you all. Any doubts you have, you can ask me in comments, I will reply. And yes, about the recipe of the clay, please, I will be making one separate video. As this is Lipan art style, you can leave the design white also. That also looks very beautiful. You can leave the clay as it is white. So let's start the outside thing. I'm not giving color everywhere because I want it to give a look like, I want it to look like mirrors. So some part I will not be coloring. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your support. If you have liked the video, then please share it with your friends and family and support my channel by subscribing it. Thank you so much. So this is where I wanted to give red. Now in case if while painting by mistake if you paint the clay, then what to do? Then you can take white color and repaint the clay. I'll show you later. You can just, how we are taking this red color, the same way you can take white color and wherever you have by mistakenly colored the clay, there you can give white color. Yeah. Now I will be starting with the blue paint. If your color is thick, you can add little water. Don't make it too watery. I have taken acrylic color. If you have joined late, I have taken this acrylic color. If the first layer of your painting is not good, if you are new to the painting, then if your first layer will not be very good. So what you should do, you should give the second layer. Once the first layer is dry, then take the same color and give it one more time. So this way you are recycling the series and decorating your home. Take a thin brush as per your design. I have taken the 0 number brush. So this is the last, no, one more design we have to color. Yeah. As you can see, this blue color first layer is not Very good. Its coverage is not very good, so I have to give the second layer. When to give the second layer? Only after the first layer is dry. So here I will be giving alternate blue and red. Be careful if your clay is not dry, then you should wait. Don't do it when the clay is wet. So here it is. Now let's attach two CDs together to make a wall hanging. This is my first CD, which I had done. And I have taken this wool. Let this be aside for some time. Yeah. So this is a woolen strand. I have put the knot at one end of it. The knot is there. After sticking this part down, the lace down, take the fabric glue and attach this woolen string on it, because this is a wall decor. So we are going to hang it with the help of this wool. You can take any rope. Now this glue will take little time for dry. So I will be attaching this tape on this. Once this glue is dry, you can remove this tape. This tape, we don't have to keep it forever because we want to color the backside of this CD. Don't leave the CD like this. Use the same paint and color the backside. Now take this CD, which we have just now painted. I'll put it upside down. Check the length of strands of your lace. And place it accordingly. Again, apply the glue in the center. Just see that everything is straight. For time being, stick the tape on it. Fabric glue needs little time for sticking. That is why we are putting this tape. Later on, we will be removing the tape and coloring the back side of this CD. Do the work very neatly, then it looks beautiful. We have to remove this and paint the backside also. I'm telling this repeatedly. Yeah. So let's turn and check how it looks. It's about to get ready. Now one more CD, I'm going to attach it on the top of this, which we have just now done. We have done this just now. It is still wet. Yeah, it's still wet. Once it dries, then I will stick it here on the top of it. Before that, we want to stick the lace also. I will show you how to stick the lace. Keep your CD upside down. Take the lace and glue. And stick it. Now again, this glue is fabric glue, Fevicryl fabric glue. It takes little time for drying. So we have to be little patient. It doesn't stick immediately. So give it time for it to dry. So here is our wall hanging ready. Still this needs to be painted. But as I told you, this without painting also looks very beautiful. White color also looks very beautiful. So how did you like this video? If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends to support my channel. Thank you very much. We will see you. I'll meet you soon. I will keep it away and hold it in my hand and show you how this two of them will look like. This I will stick later. Once it's dry, then I'll paint it and stick it. So here it is. Once everything will be dried, then I will be painting the back side of it. It doesn't look nice if the back side is not painted. So we are going to paint the back side also. So how it is, please write in comments. Thank you.